Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. We're starting with the letter Qaf. 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 This is a letter sometimes hard for some people, but it's qa qa with the throat. Qaf. Qaf. Qa. Qaf. The next letter is Kaf. Kaf. This is similar to the English K. Kaf. Kaf. Don't mix up between Qaf and Kaf. Kaf. Lam. The next letter is Lam. Lam has an L sound in English. Lam. Lam. With the L sound. Lam. Notice how the bottom curves. It's not like the Kaf that's kind of in a 90-degree angle. It cuts across. Meme. The next letter is Meme. Meme. This is similar to the English M. Meme. Meme. This is one of the letters that is pronounced with the lips mainly. Noon. Next letter is Noon. Noon. The letter Noon. One dot on top. Remember, it's one dot on top. Noon. Noon. Now we're going to do a little quiz. This is like flashcards. Okay. This is the first letter we're doing. We'll give you a minute. Qaf. Qaf. Next letter. Kaf. 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 Next letter. Lam. 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 Next letter. Meme. 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 Next letter. Noon. 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 Now we're going to go back to the letters again just for a little quiz, a second quiz. Help you to memorize these. Which is this letter? Lam. Okay? Lam. Lam. These ones we gave you more time, so we'll give you extra time on the next letter. You got it? Qaf. Qaf. One dot on top. Remember, one dot on top. These will really help you. One dot on top when you begin to read. Noon. Noon. Next letter. Meme. 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 Next letter. Okay, we have the last letter here. which is calf. Calf. Okay, thank you for watching. See you at the next lesson.